It's not a nice junction, to be honest with you. I used to avoid it whenever I could, to be honest with you. It's just not a nice place to cycle.
I cycle through here every day, and I think you'd be hard pushed to find any cyclist that hasn't either been in an accident or very nearly been in an accident with a car.
My God, I just came around the main roundabout at Elephant Castle over there, and I noticed there was a university there. How the hell will these students survive it?
Green plums appear